Hey guys, it's Ervin, aka the Professor here, WeBreak Hip-Hop Dance Company. We're here at Regional Park at the outdoor auditorium or amphitheater, I guess. But yeah, we're here. I'm going to be teaching you guys a little footwork combination that I do quite often. So here, we're going to be starting in zero position. And then from here, I'm going to have my leg out. Yeah, right here. Cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little CC, this leg out, but instead of keeping it bent, I'm going to kick that leg out like this, yeah? So I'm going to CC, kick the leg out, and then from here I'm going to bring this leg in and replace, so that leg's going to come back, okay? So we're going to bring it back. From here, this leg is going to swing all the way around to a coffee grinder. Right hand is going to swing back and swing the leg through. Cool? So that's how it looks all together. Cool. And you can use this as like a flow footwork to make your footwork look like more smooth and dynamic. You can try it on the other side as well. So here, kick out, leg in, from here, around, this hand now, switch back and through, okay? So if you need to slow down or go in slow motion and all that stuff to practice, then that's up to you. But just make sure that you stay on the toes and switch the hands quickly at the end. Okay, so one more time, leg out, do a CC with the kick out. Yep, leg in, leg that's out, so this leg that's behind is gonna swing around, coffee grinder, swing back, switch your hands through, and then you can continue. CC again. This side, around. CC, continue. Cool. Play around with it. Don't bite, but create, make some new stuff with it. Peace.